Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It is Friday, it's 1:20 and I'm gonna clean up my kitchen. It really just I need to just honestly tidy up my entire apartment, so we might do that. I'm meeting up with a friend for coffee at 3 and yeah, just thought why not do a little weekend in my life. It is so beautiful outside. It honestly feels like spring and I'm so excited. It was also my birthday yesterday, so I got a whole bunch of flowers in my apartment. I am officially 26 years old and I feel like I am 76. So yeah, I did not celebrate my birthday. Didn't feel right. My dad had surgery 2 days ago. He's in a whole lot of pain. My brother has cancer, so it just, it does not feel like I should celebrate, or I don't know. Other people might disagree with that, but it did not feel right celebrating my birthday, so we just went out for lunch and that was really nice. So that is that. We are going to an ice hockey game on Sunday, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, we do have a few things going on this weekend and I just thought it might be fun to do a little weekend vlog. And yeah, so let's get started with cleaning up this mess of an apartment. Dishwashers on the kitchen is mostly tidied up. I kind of moved a few things around. I got changed and I'm gonna head out in a few minutes and enjoy this lovely weather and just drink coffee, kind of calm down. I did not plan to kind of move a lot of stuff around, but I kind of had to in order to tidy it up the way that I wanted to. So that took me over an hour. So here we are now. I am so completely done already. But yeah, coffee, and then I have to go to the grocery store, and then we're gonna do a little bit of work. And that's gonna be this Friday. So I started reading this book right there yesterday, The Brightest Light of Sunshine, and I'm over halfway through and it's good. It does have quite some trigger warnings in it with alcoholism, sexual abuse, but the alcoholism is present in it. The sexual abuse was in the past. And it's kind of like this 22-year-old girl who falls in love with this 30-year-old tattoo artist who's taking care of his little, I think 4-year-old sister, because his mother is an alcoholic and the father of the sister is just like a no-show pretty much. And it's okay. It does have quite the sexual content in it, but I don't know, I'm kind of getting bored of it right now, so I think I'm just gonna stop where I am. Where I'm stopping is kind of a good ending. I feel like something bad might happen, like they might break up or something, because there's still enough left that something bad could happen. But yeah, so I'm gonna see what I can read next. But yeah, it's a good book. It's just, I don't know, I'm kind of getting bored of it now. It's Saturday and I had to get ready. Sorry, my grandma's in front of my window. It's kind of awkward. I had to get ready because we are going out to drink coffee because nobody respects my wishes of not celebrating my birthday. So, yeah, got changed and we're just gonna go drink some coffee, eat some cake, maybe. I really don't want to, but that's just what happens when people don't accept the fact that you don't want to celebrate your birthday. So we actually did not go for coffee because my grandma wasn't feeling too well. So that is that. It's now almost 7 p.m. I made myself a frozen pizza for dinner, which is so unhealthy and probably not smart. I feel like all the junk food that I've been eating has just fueled all of my social anxiety, or not even social anxiety, just anxiety in general. I feel like I'm not taking care of myself very well, and maybe that's, you know, that's influencing my anxiety and my almost daily panic attacks, which is not good. I'm not doing great on that, but anyways, I'm gonna eat this pizza and read this book that I just started. It's called Claim Me Forever, A Single Dad Small Town Romance, and it's part of the Time River series. Yeah, I can't really tell you too much about it just yet. I'm on page like 5 or something. Haven't really, like, I'm just starting this, so that's gonna be my evening plan this Saturday. And tomorrow we are going to an ice hockey game, which I'm very excited about. It's also gonna be St. Patrick's Day, which isn't like a huge deal here in Germany, so I won't really do anything for that. But yeah, I've just been watching videos on TikTok and I've seen everybody like get ready for St. Patrick's Day and like parade and everything, and that looks so much fun, and I'm very jealous that we don't have that here, or at least not where I live. But yeah, maybe next year, I don't know. I feel like it would be fun to go abroad again, just for, you know, a year or so. That would be really fun. Not gonna lie, it's almost 8 p.m. I was ready to go to bed, but a friend of mine texted me asking me if I wanted to go to McDonald's and get some ice cream. So that's what we're gonna do now. And if that doesn't sound like a small town Saturday night adventure to you, then I don't know what else it could be. I'm so goddamn tired though, but whatever. Change of plans for this Saturday evening apparently. I don't know why I'm always starting this in the kitchen lately, but it's Sunday. I am ready to leave the house and my dad and I are going to an ice hockey game, which I'm very excited about. I haven't been to an ice hockey game in, I don't even know, 2-3 years, so it's been a while. I actually got interested in ice hockey because of my ex-boyfriend, and it kind of stuck, I guess. NFL, ice hockey, and yeah, those are like the main 2 sports that I'm interested in. I feel like I could get into baseball as well. but I never know when baseball is on. I think the season is gonna start soon though, so we're gonna see. But football and ice hockey are like my two main sports that I'm interested in. So yeah, that's that, and I'm gonna head out now.